Hi friends, my name is Sushant Talwar. You're watching Digit, and today we have with us the Galaxy M12. We are going to unbox it, tell you the specs, and give you our initial impressions about the device. So let's get started with the unboxing. The box, it's a simple box as we see. Opening it, we have the phone here. There's a warranty card, there's a quick start guide, and a regional lock guide. Apart from this, we get a SIM ejector tool. That's pretty standard stuff, and no case for the phone. Inside the box, we have the phone with us, but we'll talk more about the phone in a bit. Type-C charging cable and a 15-watt charging brick. So that's all that you get inside the box. Now let's get back to the phone. As you can see, there's a huge display on the phone. This is a 6.5-inch HD Plus panel with support for 90 Hz refresh rate. Also, you can see that there is a huge water drop notch on it and chunky bezels around it, which obviously is something that is not ideal, but it's definitely not a deal breaker. Moving on, the Galaxy M12 follows a very industrious design language, with the back panel using a dual tone finish. Almost 80% of it features a textured pattern, and the rest of the back panel features a matte finish with Samsung logo plastered on it. The Galaxy M12 features a plastic unibody design, which again is not the latest when it comes to design trends. However, its implementation is such that it ends up giving the phone a nice classy look. The back also features a quad camera setup housed inside a square-shaped enclosure. The camera module does not protrude much and overall seamlessly merges with the phone's design, which is something that's going to be appreciated by a lot of users. Moving on, underneath the hood, we have Samsung's very own Exynos 850 SoC. So this is a new chipset by the company. It features an octa-core setup with 8 A55 cores. The Galaxy M12 is available in 3 colors, black, blue and white. There are 2 variants. First, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is priced at $10,999. And the second one, the variant with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, is priced at $13,499. Moving on to the cameras, the primary sensor is a 48 megapixel ISOCELL GM2 sensor. The secondary sensor on this is a 5 megapixel ultra wide lens. There's also a 2 megapixel macro lens on this device, which we've actually tested a bit, but we'll talk about the results later in our full review. There's another 2 megapixel lens for clicking portrait shots. There's also a front camera on the phone, which is an 8 megapixel lens. Keeping the lights on the device is a 6000 mAh pack, which, like we mentioned, can be charged using the 15-watt power brick that Samsung ships with the box. So that's it. This was the Samsung Galaxy M12. Stay tuned for the full review. Till then, like, share and subscribe to Digit.in, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.